If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new cooking videos and travel videos. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare fluffy naan using wheat flour on tawa. Ingredients required are 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, lukewarm water, 2 cups of wheat flour, half cup yogurt, finely chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, butter and some black sesame seeds. Let's start the preparation. Take wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Add baking soda, baking powder, sugar, salt to taste. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix this well. Add half cup yogurt. Mix this well. Add lukewarm water and make it into a soft dough. Don't add too much of water at a time. Add little by little and knead this dough. Add little oil and knead this well. Soft dough is ready. Apply little oil. Close it and rest it for at least 1 hour. It's almost 1 hour now. Dough has raised well. Sprinkle little wheat flour. Knead this dough for few seconds. Divide this dough into small equal parts. In 2 cups of wheat flour, we can make 5 to 6 naans. Keep tawa for heating. Now we can roll the dough balls. Take one dough ball. Apply some sesame seeds and coriander leaves. Press it little bit. Sprinkle little wheat flour. Flip this to the other side. Sprinkle some more wheat flour. Now we have to roll it. You can roll it like a round shape or oval shape. This side we have to apply water. Now we have to put this on hot tawa. Water surface should go on tawa. Keep stove heat to medium. Close the lid. Allow this to roast on medium heat for 15 to 30 seconds. You can see bubbles are coming up. Let's open the lid. Now we have to flip this on steel rack. You can see naan has roasted well. Keep stove heat to high. Roast this for another 30 seconds. Now we have to flip this one more time. You can see naan has roasted well this side as well. Another 10-15 seconds we have to roast like this and take this on plate. Naan is ready. After taking out from the stove heat, we have to apply butter to the naan. Soft wheat naan is ready to serve. Same way I will make some more naans. Soft and fluffy, healthy wheat naan are ready to enjoy. You can see naan have roasted well. They are very soft. You can eat these naan with any curry of your choice. Here I have made paneer vegetable curry. How to prepare paneer vegetable curry and gravy I have already shown in my previous videos. You can check those links in description box below. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.